5 really practical ways you can start using it today. First up, let's talk about using the main Gemini chat tool. And I don't just mean for asking questions, I mean using it as a genuine partner to help you think, create, and analyze things. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to get started. You can use it right in your web browser or on your phone with the app. You can just upload documents, pictures, even bits of code, and the Pro model can help you sort through it all, even if you're working with a bunch of different files. It's a really powerful and simple way to begin. Next, let's see how Gemini is making something we use every single day, Google Search, a whole lot smarter. So here's the big difference. When you're in AI mode, instead of just getting that familiar list of blue links, you get this dynamic, insightful summary right at the very top of your results. It helps you get the gist of complex stuff so much faster. And check this out. It's a perfect example of what I'm talking about. Say you search for something complicated, like a cantilever bridge. It doesn't just tell you what it is. It actually generates an interactive diagram so you can see how it works visually. And of course, all the sources are right there if you want to go deeper. Okay, time for something a little more creative. We're going to look at a tool called Nano Banana Pro and see how it's fixing one of the most common and, let's be honest, frustrating problems with AI images. We've all seen them, right? These amazing, mind-blowing AI images that are almost perfect, except for the text, which just looks like a jumbled, nonsensical mess. Well, thanks to Gemini, that's finally changing. I mean, this side-by-side really says it all. The difference is just night and day. The Pro version, which you get by using that thinking model we talked about, creates text that's crisp, totally realistic, and actually readable. It makes the images so much more useful. And it's not just about the words. This Pro version gives you way more creative control over stuff like camera angles, you get higher resolution downloads, and it has a much better understanding of different places and languages. It's a big step up. All right, let's talk about a real productivity booster. We're going to see how Gemini can basically become the engine that automates your most boring, repetitive tasks. It's a problem everyone has, right? The endless copy-pasting. Well, Gemini can act like the intelligent glue between over 7,000 different apps you might be using. It works through this awesome automation platform called Zapier. And this isn't just about saving time. It can totally change the way you work. This workflow here is a pretty simple example, but just imagine it. A new article gets published online, the system automatically grabs the text, asks Gemini to whip up a social media post about it, and then saves that draft right into a Google Doc for you. The whole thing just happens, all on its own. And finally, let's get into the most advanced thing on our list. This is a real game changer for anyone who builds software, and it's a tool called the Anti-gravity IDE. This quote from Google really nails it. That word agentic, what it means is that the AI can take initiative and do things on its own. So anti-gravity isn't just a helper that suggests code, it's designed to be a true AI partner in the whole development process. So the key thing to get here is that this isn't some old tool with an AI feature just bolted on. No, it's a brand new, completely free development environment that was built from the ground up around Gemini's powerful reasoning. That's what makes it so good at handling really complex, multi-step coding jobs. So there you have it. We've really covered the whole spectrum here, right? From using Gemini for a simple chat to brainstorm ideas, all the way up to professional-grade software development. So just as a quick recap, those are the 5 big ways you can put Gemini to work right now: as your thought partner, as a smarter search tool, a better image creator, a workflow automator, and as a coding co-pilot.